Hello, my name is Ryan McCallum, and today we are doing a small demonstration concerning Group Two's student recruitment admission system. We're going to take a look at some of the administrative tools we have here today, and particularly some of our reporting and querying tools. The administrative users that use our database system will be able to pull up a few reports concerning the admissions. For instance, we have a user search query here, prospective student search query, applications search query, student scholarship search query, and the student loan search query. Now, the user search query, that will allow us to pull up registered users that are in our system. We will locate those users by their primary key. The prospective student search query allows the administrative user to search the database of prospective students. The applications search query allows the administrative user, in that situation, myself, to search the pool of applicants sent into the university. The student scholarship search query allows the administrative user to search the pool of scholarship applications by school, organization, applicant, and so forth. And the student loan search query allows the administrative user to search the pool of loan applications by school, provider, applicant, and so on. So, for instance, let's go ahead and do a user search query. Click on that. And you'll notice here, once the user search query page has loaded, there's a search. And in the search field, we're going to go ahead and search for a user's primary key. From the list, let's choose ID 15. And sure enough, our search has found Mr. Harvey Lee. Also pulls up his email address and his group identification number. His group identification number is 1 because he is a student user. And the page automatically redirects back to the administrative tool page in 60 seconds. But for the sake of brevity, we're going to go ahead and return manually. Let's see, how about primary ID 17? We have a Mr. Charlie Satterwhite. All right, group 2, because they are an administrative user. And user 18. That would be Mr. Christopher Highsmith, also an administrative user. All right. So that is a good demonstration of our user search query. And if we return back to the other reporting, let's try student loan search query. All right. It's virtually identical search field, but instead of the user base, we're going to search for the loan information. So let's search for loan ID 1. All right, the application number 1. It also refers to our student ID number 24, who is Mr. Joe Ron Jackson, and his loan status is pending. It hasn't been approved or rejected yet. Let's return. Let's try 2. Miss Mary Bell Paul, her loan status has been accepted. Congratulations. 3. Jackson Roberts, also accepted. And 4. I'm afraid Miss Sharon Roberts' loan has been denied. Hopefully she'll reapply pretty soon. All right, the student loan search query is very useful. Same for the scholarship search query. The scholarships and loans both have different providers, and as we all know, a scholarship is basically a grant awarded to be used by the student without having to be paid back, but the loan, they do have to pay back. So I would prefer a scholarship. And luckily, Miss Mary Rose was accepted for her scholarship, application number 1. How about number 2? I'm afraid Mr. John Amos was denied. Let's go back to 3. Jackson Rose, pending. Good luck to him. And 4. I'm afraid also Bobby Lyons was denied. Let's see, hopefully they'll be able to reapply for those scholarships or find another scholarship. Let's see. Oh yeah, also we have the application search query. As mentioned earlier, this will search for the applications put in by users, such as Mr. John Haven. We have his application number 1. Email address was not entered. That administrative users will be able to edit these entries. John Gordon. And application 3, John Bob. All right, so as you see, this is a pretty useful database, and the reporting and querying portion, very useful. Administrative staff will hopefully have their workload lightened thanks to our efforts. Thank you. Have a good day.